Daybook totals, customer accounts, supplier accounts. Where does it all actually live? In the ledgers. 3 of them, and each has a job. A ledger is simply a collection of accounts. Every customer, every supplier, every type of income and expense gets its own individual account. The sales ledger holds one individual account per credit customer, showing exactly what each of them owes you and what they have paid you so far. The purchases ledger is the mirror image. One account per supplier, showing exactly what you owe each of them and what you have paid. The general ledger holds every other account: sales, purchases, cash, and expenses. The whole business in one place. Remember those daybook totals? They post to the general ledger, while the individual invoices go to each customer's or supplier's own account. Sales ledger, who owes you? Purchases ledger, who you owe? General ledger, everything else. That's the quickest way to remember them. Split things this way, and you can answer any question instantly. How much does Smith owe us? Open the sales ledger and look. 3 ledgers: sales for customers, purchases for suppliers, general for everything else. Master these, and double entry is next. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.